Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify bugs. To know how to fix or solve Spotify bugs, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page, as you see, we'll enter to the window of Spotify. Here in this list of app unfold, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. You will find here this window of clear data. Don't click on it because that can make errors or problem on your phone or on your application. And then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. We'll wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.